IDO, sort a star. We are given a list, we must sort it alphabetically, return the first value, but with 3 stars in between the letters. How to go about it? Here we are at the code editor, and to return the first alphabetical element, we can use the minimal function. Grant minimal of the array. There we have it, the first alphabetical value of the list. So let's call this the first value. First value is minimal array. What I propose to do now is kind of a naive method, but to start with an empty string, let's call it result. Result is empty string. And to loop through the letter. So for letter in first value, let's comment this out. To circumvent any ambiguity, when I print out the type of the first value, we get a string type. It's just the word R. Let's uncomment this. So we are looping through a string, colon, and what we have to do is to concatenate the result string with all the letters of the string, but with stars in between them, like this, 3 stars, and then we can return the result. Okay, looks all right, but something is off, I guess. Let's have a look at the test cases. Well, we have to cut off the last 3 stars, I see. We can use the slice technique for that. So colon, and to slice off the last 3 characters, we use -3. Like this, and this should do it. Paste it in and test it. Ta-da. Like I said, this is actually more like the naive method. What do I mean by that? Well, we have a join method as well. And like you see in this example, you can join the specified elements of an array or a string with a separator that you specify before the dot. What can we do in this case? Well, we can start off with specifying the separator, the 3 stars, and then the join method. And what do we want to join? Well, the letters of the first alphabetical element of the array, the minimum of the array, the string R in this case. None. Oh, well, we have to return it, of course, to actually see what we are doing. And there we have it. It's the same result. Let's paste it in. Attempt. Perfect.